Hey, welcome back. This is our last installment in this week's video series. Um, During this brief video, we'll be talking about what is the more important assignment to be done during the next several days and for moving forward into next week's assignment as well. So what we'll be doing is the next part of the SketchUp activity. And that activity includes building out the interior walls of this model that we started. Now we're going to provide you with a brand new SketchUp file, and in that file you'll have a completed exterior model. And so in this process of completing the assignment, we will have you remove part of the building exterior and work on applying interior walls, interior construction, which might include the stairs, the fireplace, and some of those elements, as well as installation of some appliances. And we've created a video for you to view. This is much like the last video series we did on SketchUp, and it'll include a step-by-step process. Please understand we've also got on Canvas a written description with some imagery on how to do the same activities. So you have a couple approaches to take in viewing this information. But the goal on this is to utilize the resources that we provided you on Canvas and to expand your skill sets into the next set of SketchUp activities. So this will include going on Canvas, downloading the information that's needed, and having that available. It's also advisable to have the assignment um, available. And also, I believe we've given you a PDF SketchUp of kind of what the final product looks like. And so these are a way of understanding where you're going with the assignment as you work on it. So the goal here is to complete an interior file using SketchUp that we started a couple weeks ago, and to use the tools that you've learned. Hopefully you're getting a little better each time you work with this. These are important skills to develop, so that's why we're doing them incrementally and providing you with some tools for implementing this work. So as a result, what we want you to do is download the SketchUp, work on it as is referenced in the demonstration videos provided, and then to complete that work and upload it into Canvas for the completed work. Like before, your efforts will be scored probably more than the finished product. I do want you to not be intimidated by the software, and I want you to be able to embrace the software moving forward. This will be a very important tool as you continue coursework here at Orange Coast, but also out in your professional careers. So even more will be talked about next week. I think we have some really interesting things. Uh, Definitely more fun and experimental. And so I want you to kind of go ahead and work on this work with a good heart, knowing that we will be doing some interesting and fun things next week with this. So do continue with this to your best effort. I look forward to seeing the work, and I look forward to joining you next week for the next assignment. Thank you very much. Have a good week, and we'll see you soon.